Hi everyone, and thanks for joining! It's Christmas time, so during the next few weeks, I will post some easy projects you can make with your Cricut device that will impress your family and friends. Today, we are creating these very easy gift card holders that you can make even if it's your first time using the Cricut. I got those designs on the Cricut Design Space, where I personalized them with some text and added a colored insert. If you want to learn some easy tools and techniques to personalize existing designs, check the video on the top right or in the description. To start this project, you will need to open your Cricut Design Space and click on the link in the description. If you want to have access to all the design I work with during the videos, you can follow me in the Cricut Design Space. Once the designs are on the canvas, you can either keep all or hide some of them by clicking on the little eye on the right. Here, we will work with the snowflake design in white and blue. Feel free to change the color with whatever looks best for you. Click on Make at the top right of your screen. On the left of the screen, we can see two mats of different colors. One for the gift card holder here in white and one for the blue insert. Now, you have two different options possible. First option, you can use one mat and put the different colors at different places on the mat, like I'm doing here. My white cardstock is on the left of the mat and I'm dragging the blue insert on the mat 2 on the right. This technique is really nice if you already have pieces from previous projects that fits so you don't have any extra work. Or the second option, you can use two different mats. One that's going to be only for the white holder and the second one that's going to be for the insert. This technique is great if you're working with bigger cardstock formats or if you want to cut multiple copies of the same design. For multiple copies, you can click on the arrow or type the number of copies you want in the top left of the screen. Then click on Apply and click on Mat 1 again, then Continue. Your Cricut machine needs to be turned on for the following steps. The device operating the Cricut Design Space and your Cricut machine are going to connect during this step. When connected, we will have to choose our base material. Here, I'm using light cardstock 65 lb. As I'm using this material a lot, I bookmarked it. If you don't see it directly on your screen, you can click on Browse All Materials, then type cardstock and look for it in the list. You can also bookmark it for the future. Next step is about the tools necessary for this project. Right now, it's asking us to have the Cricut 0.4 pen in the clamp A and the single scoring wheel in clamp B. If you don't have the single scoring wheel, you can click on Edit Tools and select the scoring stylus. By doing this, the scoring stylus is now in clamp A and the fine point blade in clamp B. Now, we can move to the materials in the real life. Remove the protective film from your mat. You can either use the blue mat for light grip or the green one if you already used it multiple times before, so it's slightly less sticky than a brand new one. Position your different colors as you did in the Cricut Design Space. Then, we place our scoring stylus in clamp A on the left and the fine point blade is already in clamp B as it's the cutting blade that I use the most. Next, insert the mat by aligning it in the two guys circle in red here and click on the blinking double arrow to load it. Then, click on the blinking C or the play button. On the Design Space page, it displays the step that is currently happening. Now, it started with the scoring, which are the lines that will guide us for the folding part later. Then, we need to change the scoring tool by the 0.4 pen with the color of your choice and click on the blinking C or the play button again. It will start to write the to and from at the back of the gift card holder, then cut the design. Then, we just follow the next steps, which are aligning the mouth and removing the pen, and load the mat with the blue insert to cut it. Now it's time to assemble everything. Take your mat and flip it. Start by removing the excess that we won't need. Light cardstock can be delicate, so we don't want to break any details from this intricate design. Then, you can use the spatula to remove gently the design from the mat. Sometimes, it's nice when all the pieces that we don't need stay on the sticky mat, but this time it wasn't the case, so I need to remove some of the pieces. Once ready, it's time to fold on those lines that the machine cut for us earlier. Flip your design and start with the bigger side. You can use a spatula or the scraper as a guide along the lines. Next, we place the insert with the color facing the table, aligning it to the left side of the holder. Add some glue on the left line and add the insert. The last step is to add glue on the two tabs, fold the bigger part on them and apply some pressure. I left mine under a book for a few minutes until the glue dried. Look at what you just made. I hope you're proud of your creation of the day. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. I hope you had fun doing this project together. Like and subscribe for more. See you for the next one and have a great day.